When I installed the 2003 seats, I had to make brackets that raised the seat level perhaps an inch or two, and that caused the bottom rim of the steering wheel to be closer to your legs and prevented sliding over as easily as you want to, say, unlock the passenger door. In order to get clearance, I located a tilt steering column locally and removed the old steering column.
I haven't decided whether I'm going to use the GMC steering wheel, which has a kind of a fake stitched leather effect, or the Chevrolet one that's stock on the truck.
Two views of the replacement column with the GMC steering wheel installed in both the down and up positions. I decided I preferred the feel of the original Chevrolet wheel, which has non-slip finger grips. It's heavier than the GMC wheel, which is made of foam. The old column only controlled two-speed wipers, which were fast and faster. The replacement column featured an intermittent wiper motor control. This required obtaining a replacement motor that supported intermittent wipers with its own circuit board. No wiring changes or plug changes were necessary, as it all plugged in without any difference or alterations. This shows the adjustment for the angle of the wipers at rest on the windshield, which is necessary to do when you put a new windshield wiper motor in. The tabs align and then the wiper levers lock into place. All the wiper functions tested A-OK with the new motor. Okay, so the intermittent is working, and then the high. Fantastic. Another modification was bending the shift lever to clear the steering wheel when pulling the shift into position when the tilt is all the way up before it was hitting the rim. So I managed to bend that with using the hydraulic press. Anyway, it works perfectly now in any position. Before it was interfering with the key, and you could end up breaking the key lever off. The reason this occurred is that the shift lever is from the old column. I'll put some heat shrink tubing over the shaft to smooth out any of the imperfections that occurred during the bending process. It used to hit the rim up here before when it was in this up position. So now it's okay in any position.